Hi, my name is Ndumiso Mladi. I'm the co-owner, managing partner for Grimaldi's Durban Country Club. The restaurant is situated at the golf course at the Durban Country Club. The restaurant was established 4 years ago, and then starting by our sister restaurant, which is up at the Pearls, and then a few months later, and then we established this restaurant here. And then we are a Mediterranean style restaurant, which is very Italian influence. We are smart casual, not on the formal side. But we're smart casual within reach. We are in a family style restaurant. Our signature dishes, we've got some. It's always a very hot topic to talk about because there's quite a lot. We've got a very broad menu, but I've got a special dish, which is my personal favorite, which is called Apollo Involtini, which is a chicken breast and then stuffed with parma ham and some prawns, spinach, and then we top it off with our signature sauce, which is called padella sauce, and then which is really amazing. Yeah, we do a lot of corporate functions, and we're very lucky because we are situated at the Durban Country Club. I really do believe that we are the most safe and the most secure establishment in Durban, and I think a lot of corporate, they take quite a good liking to that element, knowing that you bring your private client, you bring your entire staff, knowing that everybody's 100% secure in their vehicles. We've got plenty parking outside, so it's the perfect space for corporate, and obviously based on our location, and then we do quite a lot, and then because we are surrounded by a lot of companies, and so it's an ideal space for corporate events. Yeah. Well, definitely goes without saying. I think Grimaldi's Durban Country Club is the coolest place in Durban, and definitely please do come through whenever you're around Durban, whenever you are in KZN, irregardless of where you're at. It's definitely worth the drive. Please do come through and join us.